Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz A-Class AMG line we have in stock. This A-Class is finished in the black paint. You've got the optional 18-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels with the diamond turn finish, only available on the AMG line. You've got the standard AMG line trim throughout the exterior with the more aggressive splitter, the chrome trim on the grille. You've got the diffuser at the rear with the chrome tailpipes and the spoiler as well. Moving to the inside of the car, you've got a Dinamica microfiber and Artico leather interior. You've got the red stitching throughout the seats, center console, and as well on the steering wheel. You've got the flat bottom leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel as part of the AMG line package. You do have the premium equipment line with this A-Class. That gets you the heated front seats. You get adaptive high beam assist. You've got parking pilot, electronically folding exterior mirrors, the auto dimming rear view mirror, and you've got the option of choosing between 12 colours for the ambient lighting on the interior as well. If you'd like any more information on this 2018 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, please contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.